Good evening, ma'am, and my dear friends. I'm Oshin Bhatnagar in front of you with my co-presenters Nishi Gupta, Priyansh Srivastav, and Juhi Goyal. We are here for the presentation of HRA, and the topic is employee retention. First of all, we look what is retention. Retention is the process in which the employees are encouraged to remain in the organization. It is beneficial for both employees and as well as the organization. Retention is the technique in which more and more employees are encouraged to work for the organization. Next slide. Now let's look upon retention strategies process. First is reward and recognition. It means achievement and fulfillment above reward, or award should be given after the completion of work on time. Second is good working relationships. Employer and employee must have a good working relationship with each other, and then only the employee must be retained and he will feel satisfied and good in the organization and safely will work for the conditions as per the organization. Third is feedback and support. The employees must be taken feedback time to time during after a certain kind of break, then only they will know what to do in the organization. Fourth is clear direction and objectives. That means the employees should know their directions and where to go and how to fulfill their objective. They must work as per that, working as per the objective, and the employee would be retained as per that. They will work and get satisfied for the organization. Next slide will be continued by Juhi Goyal. Thank you.
Oh, very good morning, ma'am. I, Juhi Goyal, and I will start with the benefits of employee retention strategies for the organization. Business can benefit with number of ways, and when they focus on employee retention, there are some benefits are as follows. Employee retention reduces turnover hassle. Employee turnover is a natural aspect of any organization, but high turnover can be a hustle of HR team. Employee retention improves morale of the workers when they see their friends and co-workers leave the organization, and creates a poor work environment which impact the workforce morale. With the employee retention, we can increase the overall productivity of the workers in the organization. They set up the solid communication and the relationship among the workers and their co-workers avenues. If there is a collaboration with the workers, they increase the overall productivity of every employee. Happy and engaged employees pass their feelings to their customers. They provide better services and anticipate problems and go miles to make sure that their customers are happy or not. It makes a better experience for the customer. Now we will move the further slides. That is employee retention for public sector. Employee retention in the public sector has become a major focus. According to the surveys of Local and State Government Excellence 2017, 91% respondent and retentions are the need of their organization. Now, the further slides will be continued by Priyansh Srivastav. Thank you.
A very good morning, ma'am. I am Priyansh Srivastav, and I am here to give the presentation on the topic is employee retention, employee retention, private versus public. So I am continuing with the culture of employee retention in the public sector. So the first point is the culture of choice. According to the Donald N. Smith, the individual choice of a person or burger can be important point to the consumer. In this day when individualism is an increasingly important thing to the pupils. The second point is the culture of balance. Even with increased acceptance of flex time or work time balance initiatives, pupils and a public employer indicate that stress level still remains high in their workplace. And the third point is the culture of development. The culture of development means when employee feels that their career goals has been acknowledged and they are continuing to be challenged on the job, they are likely to stick around. Employees who feels ignored or bored will likely start to look for other opportunities. And the fourth point is the culture of care. The culture of care means in a sense of kind of move in a sense it is a kind of motivation we need to talking about in a today's environment. In other words, we can say that employee must feel a sense of inspiration to fully commit to their daily activities. Now, the employee retention for private. Employee retention for private is a process in which the employees are encouraged to remain with the organization for a maximum period of time or until the completion of the project. Like employee retention in a private sector, like the employees are committed to the organization for a maximum period of time, or they can be completion for the project. So it is a main motive for a committed to the organization for a completing the project or for a long term of the organization, for a long period of the organization. Now remaining slides will be continued by Nishi. Thank you.
My name is Nishigupta. Employee rotation for private. Employee is a process in which the employees are encouraged to remain with the organization for the maximum period and until the completion of the projects. For example, Google company provide employee children can come for the organization and employee motivate so many curricular activity, dance, singing, etc. But government company did not provide. Then next, culture employee rotation for private sector. Opportunity growth opportunity. If employee maximum 10 unit reduce, but other employee 8 unit reduce and 6 unit reduce and 12 unit reduce. So if employee 8 unit reduce, then give training, and 6 unit reduce, then fire, and 12 unit reduce employee, then give a reward. Next point is meaningful tasks and transparency. If investor company tie up for Google company, then advantage is new contract, increase goodwill, increase growth, and increase investment, etc. Then conclusion. Employee retention is crucial for the long-term health and success for the business. Managers readily agree that retaining best employee ensures customer satisfaction, production, sales, satisfaction, co-worker, and goodwill for the organization. If you truly respected, appreciate, and treat your employee wonderful, live, then you will never lose them. Thank you so much.